Alright, today I'm gonna try and doodle up the Weirdo Demon. Welcome to the Charlie Doodle experiment. So with this one, I kind of stretched where my brain usually goes. I typically don't draw something with like such a long nose and small eyes, so I thought I'd take a crack at it and see how it went. Took me a couple tries to get that one eye down, but I got it. Drew some teeth, and I was gonna draw fangs, sharp fangs, but that's kind of simple. I thought I'd change it up. Pointed ears, that's always my go-to. I thought I'd give it a kind of a low dome. He's kind of dumb looking, so I thought I'd kind of roll with that. I don't know why. It's just how it came out. I can't explain it. But along with the bumps and stuff, I gave it a base of yellow. Then went over it with red. My brain again was thinking it's a demon, right? It should be red. That's how they work, I guess. I don't know. Did some shadows using the high bleed watercolor brush and infinite painter. Added some highlights to kind of make things pop a little bit. I didn't like it so much, so I kept going with it. I may have gone too far, but I finished it up by doing the whites in the eyes and the teeth. And then I throw up a green background on the back, clean up around the edges because the bleed always tends to go over. Sometimes it looks okay, sometimes it doesn't. Threw a spotted background on it, and there you go. Comment, like, subscribe. Thanks for hanging out with me. I'll see you around.